Hi, my name's Ken Gifford, and I am our IT specialist and Plant Intelligence specialist here at Church Controls. I'm excited to share with you a variety of technologies that we're showcasing today at our open house. The first here would be our Sure Connect. What this is a ad hoc remote connectivity solution. This would allow our engineers to get online with a piece of equipment that maybe isn't on your network, or maybe we haven't been provided with VPN access to. We could ship these down to you, and then your engineers or maintenance personnel could connect these up, and then we would be able to get online with your equipment. In addition to that, we're demonstrating a couple of software and hardware solutions that will allow you to collect information across the plant floor in a variety of ways. The one that we're using is from Inductive Automation, Ignition, and we're demonstrating live data from our beer machine today, as well as our winding application. All this information is able to be displayed via a web browser. Ignition is a flexible solution. You can use the software to display real-time information as well as historical information. We use Ignition internally. The board behind me here is one that we have just developed for our panel shop to utilize to keep track of parts that they're waiting for projects. Right now in this post-pandemic, or I guess we're still in the pandemic phase, we're encountering issues with supply chain. So this lets them have real-time information as far as when components have arrived, so that they can more quickly execute the projects and complete those. And then we also are demonstrating connectivity solutions from Red Lion, which is how we are able to get information from the winder in real time and the beer machine. So that basically covers it. So thanks.